Good morning. It is the 21st already of July 2021. Hope you're having a good day. It's very weird looking. It's like hazy and humid as hell here in Virginia, but it only shows 82 on a car temperature gauge. But I'm going to try running later. It's pretty bad out there. But a couple of things. Number one, a number of you have been very, very kind, and you've emailed me and let me know the status of your applications. And this is a truism for any kind of federal law enforcement or any kind of law enforcement. You're going to have setbacks, okay? Not everything is always going to be successful on the first try. Nothing was ever successful for me on the first try. And, I've been through, I'll tell you, a little bit my story. I got out of the military in 1982. I was 22 years of age, okay? And I wasn't eligible for any federal, well, I was eligible for one, the Border Patrol, but I applied to the Border Patrol, I applied to California Highway Patrol, I applied to the San Diego Police Department, and two of the three, turned me down. Okay, the San Diego Police said I was too immature to, imagine that, me at age 22, too immature to be on the street, But what the officer said, the captain, who was the last one I spoke with, it was the captain's interview, he said, what I'd like to see you do, Jim, is go to school for a couple more years, get a couple of years of education and maturity, and then come back and we take you. Okay. I wasn't happy with that advice. I wanted to do something right then and there. The CH piece of my eyesight was too bad. 20/40 without glasses was their limit, which I never really quite understood because, mine's about 2100, correctable to 20/20. Now, the Border Patrol, I passed everything, and I was already in school, though, when they offered me the job, so I said, it's a GS5, I got to get to El Paso on my own steam. I think not. But, I really wanted the job, too. So it was kind of, it was a fork in the road, and I stayed on the school fork, which turned out to be the right fork for me. When there's a fork in the road, take it, and if one door is blocked, try for another. Now, when I finished up with college, I had put in for the DEA, I had put in for the Secret Service. Those were the two federal agencies I put in for. I didn't put in for any other job. Secret Service just shot me down. They didn't even give me an interview, no reason why, not, good for you, go to hell, whatever, nothing like that. Just, shot down, just got a letter saying I wasn't qualified. I don't know, but I applied to DEA, and I didn't expect I was going to get the job, but I went through it, and I got the job, So now once you're in an agency, do you get everything you want? No. You have to put in for numerous promotions. I had to put in for my GS-13 3 times to get it. I put in for many 14 jobs till I got one. And it's almost like it's chance, is what it is. But it's chance plus persistence. Okay? So those who persist will get what unless you're totally unqualified. If you have like a felony conviction or something, you're not going to get in. But, besides that, it's just persistence. No matter where you're going, keep trying, and you'll get a job, and it'll be a job that you're good at, and it'll be a job that you like. It'll be a job that you retire from one day and, wish you were doing it. But when you were doing it, you probably said, I can't wait to retire. So the biggest thing I can tell you is don't quit. Be persistent. Keep trying. And a temporary setback is just that. It's a temporary setback. It's something that you can learn from. Now, whenever I was turned down for something, I was, what was it, that stopped me? What didn't I do that I should have done? And that might be helpful. But again, being shot down for things does not end when you retire from the federal government. I still get, there's things I'm putting in for right now, and, I may get them, I may not get them. But, again, it really doesn't matter to me. The thing is, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Apply for many things at once or simultaneously. And just put your best foot forward, and don't quit. Be persistent, and make sure that you're in physical condition. That's one thing you can control, your physical condition. 100%. Okay. Second thing you can do is make sure your application is as good as it can be. That's something that's totally within your control. Now, if they say that you're not qualified, like they did with the Secret Service to me, okay, I don't have any control over that, but DEA thought I was qualified. And I'm glad that I got the DEA and not the Secret Service. Actually, I am considering putting in for the Secret Service. I told my wife, pull out all my old SF-52s. I got to get my retirement SF-52. I may submit for that sucker just to see, they actually will take a 61-year-old man with, I don't know, I'm going to see if they do it just out of, just to keep you guys entertained, Do I want the job? It's probably going to be like on one of the kids' details, the children of the protectees. It's not going to be, the big kahuna. They're going to put the old men on, somebody who's not going to get hurt or whatever. But it's a GS-13. It's full pay, and, you're protecting somebody and you're upholding the law. Plus, you get your full retirement benefit, which I've never heard of anyone getting. So please don't get discouraged with anything, okay? That's just the way life is. I've lived a long time compared to y'all, and, life gives you curveballs, but, and there's a fork in the road. When there's the fork in the road, what do? You take it, So don't give up. Keep applying, Be persistent. And something will come your way. I know it will, because I am living proof of that. So hopefully this has been somewhat helpful to you. Hopefully it's been a little bit encouraging, and, just keep trying. And again, I will review resumes for free, flecfuture@gmail.com, okay? So have a good day, and God bless y'all.